The world of consumer drones is about to undergo its most radical transformation yet. And if you think you know what to expect from a sub 250-gram aircraft, you are completely unprepared for what is coming. For years, drone enthusiasts, professional cinematographers, and casual creators have accepted a universal compromise. If you want a drone that fits in your palm and bypasses strict government regulations, you must sacrifice professional-grade hardware. You accept smaller sensors, shorter flight times, weaker wind resistance, and automated tracking features that often feel more like a gimmick than a production tool. But behind closed doors at DJI engineering facilities, a massive paradigm shift has been quietly taking place. The upcoming release of the DJI Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be a historic moment in consumer technology, completely obliterating the line between ultralight recreational toys and multi-thousand-dollar commercial platforms. Insiders and supply chain leakers are revealing a device that defies the laws of physics, cramming capabilities into a sub 250-gram frame that were completely unthinkable even 12 months ago. We're talking about a total restructuring of drone mechanics, power management, and optical engineering designed to permanently disrupt the global market. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The data trickling out from manufacturing plants indicates that DJI is not just building an incremental update. They are responding to an increasingly competitive landscape by throwing down an absolute masterclass in miniaturization that will leave rivals scrambling for years to come. To truly understand why the DJI Mini 6 Pro is causing panic among competing drone manufacturers, we have to look directly at the heart of its most revolutionary leak: a complete overhaul of the camera payload and gimbal architecture. Historically, the sub 250-gram category was strictly limited by the physical weight of glass lenses and heavy sensor stabilization motors. If a camera sensor gets too big, the glass elements required to focus light onto that sensor grow exponentially heavier, instantly pushing the drone past the critical regulatory threshold. However, recent design leaks suggest that DJI has successfully integrated a groundbreaking dual-stack CMOS sensor architecture into the Mini 6 Pro. This is a massive leap forward from traditional sensors because stacking the pixel infrastructure vertically allows for a significantly larger light-collecting surface area without expanding the physical footprint of the camera module itself. Rumors point to a massive primary sensor upgrade that could easily challenge the image quality of larger aircraft like the Air series. Imagine capturing true native dual ISO footage with pristine dynamic range in the middle of a pitch-black night, all from an aircraft that fits comfortably inside your jacket pocket. The implications for content creators, travel vloggers, and indie filmmakers are staggering, allowing for cinematic low-light storytelling without the burden of hauling massive gear bags through rugged terrain or crowded urban centers. This optical revolution is deeply intertwined with a completely reimagined gimbal design that leakers are calling a mechanical masterpiece. Traditional 3-axis gimbals are highly vulnerable to high winds, mechanical wear, and physical impact, often acting as the primary point of failure during crash. The leaked schematics for the Mini 6 Pro suggest a radical shift toward an enclosed, semi-recessed gimbal housing that drastically minimizes aerodynamic drag while providing unprecedented structural protection. But the real magic lies in its tracking capability. Rumors strongly indicate that the new gimbal will offer an extended pitch range, allowing the camera to tilt upwards at an unprecedented angle without capturing the drone's own propellers in the frame. This opens up entirely new creative horizons, enabling dramatic low-angle reveal shots of towering mountain peaks, city skyscrapers, and sweeping forest canopies that were previously impossible without heavily modifying your aircraft. Furthermore, this newly designed stabilization system works in perfect harmony with an upgraded algorithmic stabilization engine, processing environmental data thousands of times per second to ensure that your video remains buttery SM. Even when the drone is battling aggressive coastal winds or executing high-speed tactical maneuvers. But a spectacular camera is useless if the drone cannot stay in air long enough to capture the shot. And that brings us to the next massive breakthrough leak for the DJI Mini 6 Pro, a revolutionary leap in battery chemistry and propulsion efficiency. For generation after generation, the flight time of micro-drones has hovered frustratingly around the 30-minute mark, which quickly degrades down to 25 minutes or less once you account for real-world variables like wind resistance, payload stress, and safety return margins. Creators are intimately familiar with the anxiety of watching their battery percentage plummet just as the lighting conditions become absolutely perfect. To solve this existential pain point, DJI is reportedly introducing an entirely new high-density lithium-silicon battery cell matrix. By replacing traditional graphite anodes with silicon-based alternatives, these next-generation cells can store an astonishingly higher amount of electrical energy within the exact same physical volume and weight constraints. When combined with an ultra-efficient electronic speed controller system and redesigned, aerodynamically optimized carbon fiber reinforced propeller blades, the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to shatter the 45-minute flight barrier on a standard battery, with extended battery options pushing deep into a territory previously reserved only for industrial-grade heavy lifters. This completely redefines the economics of aerial filmmaking, allowing creators to stay airborne through an entire golden hour session without constantly landing to swap out expensive power cells. This massive boost in endurance is paired with a highly sophisticated power distribution network that utilizes real-time machine learning to optimize energy consumption based on current flight conditions. For example, if the drone detects a steady, predictable tailwind, it will automatically recalibrate its motor frequencies to glide with minimal power draw, conserving precious milliamp hours for intensive camera operations or high-speed tracking sequences. The physical structure of the drone itself has undergone an intense weight-saving transformation to accommodate these heavier, more energy-dense internal components. Leaks from the assembly lines point to the extensive use of aerospace-grade magnesium-aluminum alloys and ultralight composite polymers in the internal chassis. This allows the structural skeleton of the drone to remain incredibly rigid and impact-resistant while shedding every single unnecessary milligram of weight. Even the internal cooling systems have been entirely redesigned, abandoning heavy metal heat sinks in favor of a passive, multi-channel aerodynamic airflow system that routes air through the drone's external shell as it flies, effectively cooling the processing units and sensor housing without requiring a single heavy mechanical fan. Beyond pure hardware specs, the true intelligence of the DJI Mini 6 Pro lies within its rumored autonomous navigation and obstacle avoidance array, a system that represents a total quantum leap over anything we have seen in a compact consumer drone before. Fly a micro-drone into a complex environment like a dense forest, an abandoned building, or a tight urban alleyway, and you're traditionally playing a highly dangerous game of Russian roulette. Microsensors are notorious for failing to detect thin tree branches, power lines, or highly reflective glass surfaces, resulting in catastrophic crashes that can instantly ruin an expensive shoot. To eliminate this vulnerability once and for all, the Mini 6 Pro is reportedly coming equipped with a true omnidirectional, high-resolution binocular vision sensing system, supplemented by a cutting-edge, localized radar module. This dual-technology approach ensures that the drone doesn't just see obstacles in its path. It builds a highly accurate, real-time, three-dimensional topographic map of its entire surroundings, processing spatial data with an onboard artificial intelligence engine that operates with unprecedented speed and precision. This advanced spatial awareness gives birth to the next generation of automated tracking, a feature that insider leaks are describing as an absolute game-changer for solo content creators. Imagine executing complex, multi-angle cinematic tracking shots without a dedicated camera, an operator, or even having a controller in your hands. The Mini 6 Pro's rumored tracking algorithms are trained on massive datasets of human movement, vehicular dynamics, and action sport trajectories. Once you lock onto a subject, the drone doesn't just blindly follow from behind. It anticipates movement, dynamically calculating the most dramatic cinematic angles while fluidly navigating through dense obstacles completely on its own. If a tree or a structure briefly blocks the line of sight, the onboard predictive AI uses advanced tracking metrics to estimate where the subject will reappear, maintaining a seamless lock without aborting the mission or drifting aimlessly into danger. This effectively turns a sub-250-gram drone into an autonomous, highly skilled personal camera crew, allowing solo athletes, travel vloggers, and independent filmmakers to capture high-production value footage that previously required thousands of dollars in specialized equipment and multiple crew members. As we dive deeper into the technical architecture of this upcoming powerhouse, we find another massive upgrade that addresses one of the most frustrating limitations of modern drone piloting: signal transmission reliability and range. There's nothing more terrifying for a pilot than watching their live video feed freeze, stutter, or completely drop out while their drone is hundreds of feet in the air and a mile away. In crowded urban environments, electromagnetic interference from Wi-Fi routers, cellular towers, and high-voltage power lines can severely degrade traditional transmission signals, forcing pilots to stay within a dangerously limited radius. To conquer this challenge, DJI is rumored to be debuting its next-generation transmission protocol with a Mini 6 Pro, a system that utilizes adaptive multi-band frequency hopping across an expanded spectrum of radio frequencies. This system dynamically scans the local environment for interference and seamlessly switches communication channels in milliseconds without interrupting the live feed, ensuring a crystal-clear, high-bit-rate video stream directly to your remote controller, even in the most congested signal environments on Earth. This upgraded transmission system isn't just about avoiding dropouts. It is also about delivering unprecedented visual clarity to the pilot. Leaks suggest that the live view transmission will jump to a stunningly crisp, low-latency, high-definition format at a smooth 60 frames per second. This ultra-responsive visual feedback is critical for executing precise, close-quarters maneuvers, allowing you to confidently pilot the drone through narrow gaps, under low bridges, or close to fast-moving subjects with surgical precision. The physical remote controllers are also getting a significant refresh to match these new capabilities. Rumors indicate a new generation of smart controllers featuring ultra-bright, high-nit displays that remain perfectly visible even under direct, harsh midday sunlight, eliminating the need for awkward sun hoods or struggling to see your framing while shooting in intense outdoor environments. The internal processing of the remote itself has been supercharged to handle advanced telemetry data, allowing for real-time diagnostics and instant playback of proxy files directly from the controller's interface.